So you have been running a maintenance and cleaning business. Created some Excel sheets and hired new staff, I guess. Most people think it's easy until they themselves witness how managing those chaotic workflows can be a total mess. You are looking for a solution to success that can handle your business with care. You found it. Don't stress. Welcome to Brilion software. Scheduling one-off and weekly booking efforts will be reduced to less than half. So is managing the team and their transports, communicating with customers and staff. Organize drivers, cleaners, and your customers into zones. Then let our auto-assign print out driver sheets and avoid unnecessary phones. Worried about rescheduling and canceled booking situations? This can be easily sorted out with our auto SMS notifications. Have complete control of your customer experience and staff activity. Through feedbacks and ratings, you can improve their productivity. Monitor their stats, their acts, receipts, invoices, and payments. All other basic essentials like reports and monthly statements. You already have a website, but it lacks real-time online booking. Link it within just 2 minutes, that's right. Our guest booking will be your new best thing. Fully customize with your logo, branding, services, and price. Customers won't think twice before making online payment and rescheduling from their device. Let us handle your operations with care. Sign up today for a demo with Brilion software.